It is also a good idea to involve one or two trade union leaders also in this process of exit interviews, as it will give them an opportunity to present a clear view and take necessary steps in the interest of good labor management relations. These are some of the issues which are within the organization's control, like economic matters and other policy matters in the interest of organization. Next para, letter dated 10th April from the Secretary to Government, Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, to the Secretary to Government, Industries and Commerce Department, Government of India, New Delhi. Next para. Sir, it is to inform that there have been requests from various sections of industry that the government should provide incentives for the development of industries in the state in view of the fact that there is a steady growth of the economy. A committee may please be constituted to study the existing rules and submit its report within the next 2 or 3 months. The remarks of the committee may be taken into consideration at the time of finalizing the draft plan of action. It is requested that the above proposal may please be considered and a committee be constituted immediately so as to enable the government to announce the new policy on the occasion of the formation day of the state on 1st November. Yours faithfully.